At Group 14, we value creativity a lot as part of our culture. It's really driven a lot of our success. It helps us drive our innovation. You know, being able to come up with creative solutions to challenging problems is a big part of what's helped us distill down our process into a relatively simple, scalable approach. But in order to get to that point, we've had to take a fair amount of risks, calculated risks, but we've had to be quite bold, especially in the early days when we were developing the process. And you know, I think it's just culturally at Group 14, our ability to do that, to evaluate those risks and to move on them, you know, is driving our success. When we set out to look at manufacturing SEC 55, our anode material, you know, we really started with a 5-step process in the laboratory, and the initial phases were fairly complicated, you know, but through a lot of innovation and development, we've distilled that down to 2 steps. There's a lot going on in those 2 steps, but they are relatively simple on a broader scale using manufacturing equipment that's actually fairly common. And the cool thing about them is that each of these steps is highly tunable. So not only do our BAM modules allow us to scale SEC 55, but we can tune the properties of the material to also make a lot of different products. And we're in the process of developing many new products, and our existing capital infrastructure is going to allow us to meet a lot of different needs by the unique tunability of this process. It's really cool.